What's up, YouTube? Damn, look at this. The Ford Mustang GT truck for 2026. Damn. If they do make a truck like that, holy shoot. Holy crap. I'm speechless. Look at those massive tires. Quad exhaust. LED. Tri-bars. Turn signals. Look at the front. It's a beast. And the same color as my Aria. Wow. That is a massive looking truck. An aggressive looking truck. Just the tires alone and the way it looks like it will destroy anything on its path. Yep. Love it, man. Woo! Look at that. Like a Mustang in the back. Like a Mustang in the front. But boy, I tell you, it will not drive like a regular car. This right here is so incredible looking. I would love to get that for myself. Add it to my collection. My Mustang's big brother. Yep. Love it, man. Ford's doing some amazing things on their vehicle. And if this right here gets out, guys, you know I'll be right there in dealership test driving this truck right here. Yep. That's a bad looking truck. I love it. Yep. What do you guys think, man? Hit me up in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this truck. If it does get unleashed and come out, unleash the Krackon. Woo!